Hello everyone, welcome to this video on bold reports. In this video I will show you how to create an RDL report in bold reports. This technique works for both web and desktop report designers, but I will use the web version from the Bold Reports report server for this demo. Let's get started. First, I'll create a new report in the report server and name it Sales Report. I create a data source using the AdventureWorks database in SQL Server and name it AdventureWorks. Since I already have the database details as a connection string, I use the advanced options to enable it. Next, I choose None as the authentication type, since the connection string already has credentials. This button connects to the data source and launches the query designer. I name the dataset Sales Order Detail. Then I switch to code mode since I already have the SQL query. I enter the query. I click Run to see the values retrieved from the database and displayed in Preview area. Then I click Finish to create the dataset. I enable the header area and add a rectangle that acts as container and resize it. I change the background color to enhance the look. I add a text box inside the rectangle and type in its sales details. I format the text by changing the font, color, size, weight, and vertical alignment. If there is extra space around the text, you can resize the text box and rectangle. The header is done. Next, I add a table to display sales order details. I add the necessary columns. I give them headers. And format them. I assign corresponding values to the data rows. And format them. Next, I insert a row in the position of outside group below and merge the cells for the total text. I add the total value expression and format them. Once the values are assigned to the table, I apply some basic formatting to enhance their appearance. I select the header row and change the font family, weight, background color, and color. In the same way, I format the value rows. Since currency values must be retrieved in currency format, select the unit price and total price, and change the format to currency. Now everything is ready to preview the report. I switch to Preview. The sales orders and their details are rendered in table format. You can use these arrows to navigate among the pages. The report can be exported in PDF, Excel, Word, HTML, PowerPoint, CSV, XML, or TXT format. To publish the report, I click the Publish button. I choose the file location for my report. For this case, I use the Sample Reports category. I publish it. The report is published under the Sample Reports category in the report server. In this video, I have shown you how to create a report and publish it in the report server. Thanks for watching.